Hi fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another Monday and I'm back at Aldi. It's blistery cold and snowy out and I'm not ready for it, but it does remind me of Christmas, and starting this weekend I have 2 Christmas parties. So I'm gonna get my normal week of groceries plus stuff for the Christmas parties, and I'm excited to share it with you. So let's get in and see what we get. We have some cheese, and these have been sounding good to me to have with cheese. The cracked pepper wheat crackers, $2.39. Elsie wants pita and hummus in her lunch, so I'm getting her pita, $2.89. We are having spaghetti at our party, and my girls really like these, so I'm gonna get 2 of them at $2.89. For my son's lunch, I still have tortilla chips, but I'm almost out of the salsa con queso, $1.99 and $2.19 for more salsa. Yay, we've been out of mangoes for a few weeks, at least when I've tried to get them. I'm gonna get a couple at $1.39. I'm also gonna get a thing of kiwi. Oh, and they have the kiwi spoons in there. I like when they have these. They don't always have them, but they're really nice to cut and get your kiwi. Nice to send in lunch boxes, $4.29. Okay, I'm looking at the price of all the fruit here because I'm making a fruit tray and a vegetable tray for this weekend. However, I don't want to buy the fruit at the very least until right beforehand because I don't want to send not fresh fruit. Raspberries are looking promising. I'll probably do red grapes. I think green apples, which I think I'm going to buy today. Those will stay good and we can eat some of them. But we have lots of cut fruit on sale, but I'm not buying that because it won't be good this weekend. I am going to get Granny Smith apples. My kids love to munch on these, and these are great sliced apples on a fruit tray, $2.69. I need more carrots to chop for lunches, $1.89. I still have some cucumbers from last week. 3 bags was too much. We are having salads a couple times this week, and so I need more romaine hearts. We have some at home, but not a ton, $2.69. And I am going to just come back and get broccoli and cauliflower for the vegetable tray, and when I get fruit, just so it's all fresh. Okay, I saw Honeycrisp for $2.49 for 2 pounds. That's an amazing deal, so I'm actually going to get a bag of that as well. These are my teenager Mila's favorite apples. I really want someone to tell me if they have made this and if they like it. It looks so good to me. I wish my whole family would eat it because I would definitely buy it for a meal. Yummy looking. I am making 3 cakes for this weekend. The kids that are coming to our middle school party can make cake jars, and I'm making 3 flavors of cake for that, so I need eggs. I'm getting 2 dozen at $1.34 each. $2.67 for 2% milk, just running low. I am fully out of potatoes, $3.49 for 10 pounds. I'm making chili. I'm making a vegetarian. My daughters love it. That was my middle daughter's request for dinner this week. I need 4 cans at 45 cents of tomato sauce. And then I also need 2 cans of diced tomatoes at 88 cents a piece. I need a can of pinto beans at $1.49. And 2 cans of dark red kidney beans at 78 cents a piece. 2 cans of black beans at 77 cents a piece. We are having a taco bar at one of the Christmases this weekend. I'm taking fruits and vegetables, but my daughters like to have black beans with all their stuff, so I'm bringing these as well, just to make sure they're covered. And while I'm right here, I'm also going to get raspberry, oops, that's strawberry. I want the raspberry fruit spread for thumbprint cookies. My daughters and I love to make those, love to eat them, and this is the perfect filling, $2.79. Okay, I do need green pepper for my chili, $2.29, and then I'll cut the rest up for probably the vegetable tray or my kids' lunch. I'm getting these for the party for the middle schoolers this weekend. I know one of the friends coming really loves these. When my daughter packs them in her lunch, she always steals them, so I thought it'd be fun to have there. $1.99. I'm gonna get 2 of these sparkling ciders for our party this weekend, $3.68. Lots of fun holiday stuff. Popcorn tins, decorative pillows are still here. Different accent rugs. Those are only $6.99. And then they have the reversible porch signs here. I don't know how much those are. I don't see a price for them, but there's a lot of them. They also have these Holly Jolly succulents. Very pretty. They all look really healthy. Only $4.99. Aldi pet sweaters and gear. Cute, but I'm passing. Lots of pretty pajamas. I have something very similar to this, but it's not stone. Oh no, that is not similar to what I have. Never mind. But looks kind of interesting. Electric fondue, tablecloths. I love the holiday set here. Maybe I'll have to get these for this weekend. $2.19 and $2.19 for these, and then I'll just supplement with what else I have at home already. Super cute. These are beautiful. I'm very tempted to buy this. I just don't have room to store it for as often as I'd use it, but $9.99, that's so pretty. And they have a really pretty server over there. I don't host enough to justify that, but there's lots of different cozy boots here, ankle boots, women's boots. They have all of the Disney. These look pretty picked over. I'm sure they're pretty popular. I've seen a lot of talk of these on Facebook. My son every year gets one of these, loves them. $19.99. You can find better sales is all I'm gonna say, but they're a great gift if your kid likes surprise. Lots of different things in here. There's 25 surprises and they're fun. My son loves them. Lots of toys, finger skateboards, lots of fun items in here. And laundry, not fun items as well. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Little candles with mini accessories on top. $6.99. Oh, that's funny, a little kit to make decorating spaces easier. Cute. Tape, gloves. This is also really cute holiday garland sets, little gnome puffs. I like those. $4.99. Not much is new on this side of the aisle though. I'm running very low on these, and I'm gonna buy as many as I can at 89 cents a piece. Okay, I found 8. Yay! I'm gonna get 2 jars of the 4 cheese pasta sauce at $2.09 a piece for our party this weekend. It's a bunch of kids. I'm serving spaghetti, green beans, bread. Easy. And I think 2 pounds of spaghetti should do $1.88. I am making 3 cookies. I'm gonna make a white chocolate. They're 98 cents a piece. And I'm gonna make red velvet, but I guess I have to get that somewhere else. I've never really looked for it here. And once I make the cake, the kids can make cake jars. You layer it with basically whatever you want, and they look fun and festive. And on the same note, I need to get sprinkles, so these are $5.48. I need more powdered sugar for the frosting I'm gonna make for cake jars, $1.75. And if you remember, I previously had bought 12 pounds of butter, so I'm set with that. Running low on olive oil, $5.49. I use a lot of chili powder when I make chili, and I don't want to run out, so just in case, I'm getting more, 99 cents. Vegetable broth for the chili. I'm sharing a recipe that uses meat and beef broth, but just substitute the beef broth for vegetable and don't add meat, and it's vegetarian. These have been a real hit, $5.29, but I'm mean. I only let her take them to school. They can't eat them at the house because that's a very expensive house snack. $5.29. Lots of turkeys that didn't get eaten on Thanksgiving. They're still here, ready for all your Christmases. All varieties, just the breast, pre-cooked, smoked, all the things. Ham. This looks pretty similar to what it did last week when I was here. Vegetables, Thai-style curry, skillet, different pizzas. They have some holiday pizzas over there. Tiny taters. Look like tater tots. Chicken breast patties, spicy pepperoni. Nothing I need here. Oh, actually, okay. I was gonna get the garlic knots, but I would rather make these. I think. I don't know. I will make the nuts. I know my girls like them. And I don't know if I bought these before. They are cheaper. I'm gonna get 2 of these instead of the nuts. $2.19 a piece. I need 2 of the hummuses with both my girls eating it. Again, $2.49. Probably put this in my veggie tray too. Hey, it's so funny. This is what I was looking for last week, and I bought it. I ended up going to Target to buy it, but they have it here for $5.99. It's a big, giant container, though. Ooh, these look good to me. Whiskey cheddar cheese, mature cheddar cheese, caramelized onion cheddar cheese, and cracked black pepper. I'm gonna get this one and try it. That looks pretty good. I probably won't open it for a while because we have a lot of open cheeses, but I don't want to miss out on this. Okay, I'm gonna make these for the party for the kids too. My girls really like these green beans, especially compared to those ones. $2.19. I'm gonna get 2 bags, and then I am also gonna get 2 bags of these for my dog at 96 cents. We just put them on her food or use them as treats. She loves them. Okay, I've been waiting for a reason to buy these, and I think our party this weekend is perfect. $5.99. I'm gonna get this for a prize at a family Christmas. I'm in charge of a game, and I want there to be a prize to encourage participation. $5.49, and I think that looks fun. And I will get this one also as a prize incentive for the game, $2.49. So there'll be first winner, second winner. And I'm gonna get one of these advent calendars for my son to take to his teacher. He's in 1st grade. He still is willing to, but my middle schoolers do not want to take one to their teacher. $8.99. Okay, here's my cart. Any guess on the total? Okay, $141.59. Okay, my meal plan for this week. Tonight, Monday, we're having leftover Nashville hot chicken. My husband made this yesterday, and it made a lot of chicken. So we're gonna have leftovers with salad. We have a little bit of the mac and cheese, but we didn't want the chicken to go to waste, and it was really good. So we're having leftovers tonight. My daughter Elsie requested vegetarian chili. My husband doesn't like that, but he loves old-fashioned noodle soup, which isn't vegetarian. So I'm making 2 soups, and we're gonna have them for 2 nights. So you can basically have whichever soup. We all love soup, so it won't go to waste, and I'll make them both on one day and have them for the other. We also didn't have tacos and rice last week like we planned, so I moved that from last week to this week. Didn't have to buy anything. Friday, we're gonna get carry-out pizza and have salads at home. Saturday, I have my family Christmas. I'm bringing a veggie tray, a fruit tray, and then it's a taco bar there as well, and I'm just gonna take black beans to make sure my girls are covered. But I'm also bringing a game to that family Christmas and have the prizes for that. So that'll be a lot of fun. It's my mom, her siblings, her parents, and all my cousins. It's very giant at this point, but I love it. And then Sunday, I have 2 middle schoolers, both my daughters, and they're each inviting a few friends over. They're gonna do like a little gift exchange. They're gonna make cake jars, gonna have dinner, a fun Christmas party, and I'm really excited to host that for them as well. So that'll be the spaghetti, party, snacks, lots of fun. My dog is sad I'm not giving her attention if you can hear her. If you want to see how I make this chili, you can check out this video right here. It is a Wendy's copycat, and if you want to make it vegetarian, simply leave out the meat and use vegetable broth instead of beef broth. But personally, as a non-vegetarian, I love it with the meat. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.